The new Honda City is available with two powertrains. The Honda City RS is available with the iNMD powertrain, and the lower three variants are available with this 1.5 litre dual overhead cam i-VTEC engine. It has 121 PS, which is the highest in the segment, and 145 Newton meters of torque, available at 4,300 RPM. Stepping inside the city, the interior is more mature than before, with nicely sculpted leather seats, paddle shifters, the stop-start button, two USB ports, automatic climate control, and more importantly, lane watch. The newest active safety feature on all Hondas, like the Accord, CR-V, and the Odyssey. Moving behind, like any other city, there is actually plenty of space legroom wise, and even enough headroom for someone who's 6 feet tall. Rear aircon vents are also available, a nice touch in Malaysia's hot climate, and so is the rear armrest. Stepping behind, a relatively wide opening gives way to a relatively large boot at 591 litres. Enough space for anything you want actually. It's quite big. You can fold down the seats easily too with these. In the cabin of the City, there is a nice leather steering wheel with paddle shifters on this high-spec V model. There is also the engine start-stop button, and also a very nice digital instrument cluster. Moving to the central infotainment display, there is an 8-inch touchscreen with physical volume knobs and also physical rotary dials for the automatic climate control. Two USB ports are below, including a power outlet, a 12-volt socket. Overall, it's a nice place to be in the city. For a car costing from 75,000 ringgit to 90,000 ringgit.